I have absolutely no idea why people who work in manufacturing and selling a product are not concerned as hell about lowering their costs right now. There are tons of tariffs on the horizon. Yesterday, Trump announced, or actually the court announced, that Trump can go forward with tariffs. So I don't understand why the primary topic still is revenue everywhere I look. I'm tired of it. Why are people not frugal about their money in their personal lives? And then when they own a company and when they're managing a company, I don't understand it. Every dollar not spent goes directly into profit, whereas for revenue, you usually have to invest to get something back. I have no idea why this is happening. There are such easy measures to be somebody who is a little bit more frugal with their money, and especially in these times. Right now, companies are suffering, margins are shrinking. The initial reaction is, okay, let's get more salespeople so we can get more business. Okay, but why not teach your employees to be better with their credit card spend, to travel a little bit less, and to just be a good steward of company money? There is so much money being spent on, if we start small, business trips, right? Maybe lower the daily allowance a little bit. Then think about, if you're manufacturing, what are your logistics costs? How much are you paying your cleaning company that is coming in every day? How much are you paying? How much are people paying for software? It's absolutely insane how much people are paying for software that they don't even use, or that they don't even know how to use, and it does not have an ROI. Why are we not looking at these things? I mentioned logistics, I mentioned marketing, some of the things that you're outsourcing. You can do these things in-house. Why aren't you doing it? Maybe, okay, the quality won't be as great or whatever, but do you actually need that quality? That's a question that you should ask yourself as a company. And you should evaluate every single thing. Like, if I even start, some companies don't even know what their monthly spend is on services and goods that they're buying from outside. Ask yourself, how much are you spending every month on goods and services? Do you know the answer? It should be on a spreadsheet in the worst case, or somewhere on a dashboard where everybody and your board members can directly access that. And then there should be a dissection meeting of every dollar that is being spent every month that is not necessary. So easy to do. I don't understand why people are doing it. Of course, and I can tell you, if you don't have that data, it's very easy. It's understandable that you're not doing it because it seems to be so difficult to compile that. Well, compile 80% of the spend first, look at that and see where you can cut. That should be easily done. But if you have the data and you're not doing it, I'm sorry, I can't help you. I don't know. I mean, if you're fighting for survival, you're thinking about firing people in the next couple of months, when you can't even do that simple exercise, I don't know. I have, I mean, it's just, I don't have any words for that. People are not focusing on the money they're spending. It is that easy to do so. I don't get it. It's just blows my mind. Money is being thrown out the window without even negotiating, without even looking at a different supplier, without maybe looking at a starter package instead of the professional package in case of software, to try out the software. You might not even need it. And the problem here are incentives. As a CEO, maybe you're doing this. Maybe you're looking at costs. Maybe you are. I don't know. But your employees, do they have an incentive to look at costs? Or do they have an incentive to keep production running? Do they have an incentive to hit their sales figures at any cost, no matter the margin or whatever it is? It all starts with incentives, and it can be easily done. I'm repeating myself here, I know, but I want to bring this point home. If you're not looking at your costs in 2025, you're going to have a massive problem down the road. And then also, like, who doesn't like more money? I mean, everybody likes more money. All of that profit, imagine where you could invest it in more growth. You as the owner, you could be so much better off by investing in growth. I don't understand it. Instead, you're throwing the money out the window and letting people go this summer. Who knows how all of this with the tariffs plays out, if you can still be profitable. 36 billion is what I read today, is what it's costing the world economy right now, what tariffs are costing the world economy until now. And some of them have even been delayed for 90 days, so I don't know how many of them are actually in effect. It's not that much. They're already costing businesses $36 billion, and you can't look at your cost structure and what you're spending every month, every year, and what's unnecessary, and then cut it. I'm sorry, I don't get it. Happy surviving, honestly. But if you need help, I mean, go to my website, www.21consulting.xyz. Apply for a free consultation if you're a supplier, if you are an OEM, and let's see if we're a good fit. Let's not make it that complicated. I'll see you there.